Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is India leads global maritime discourse. Recently, India has called for effective measures to resolve the issue of seafarer abandonment and ensuring the safety of the maritime workforce. The issue was raised at the 132nd session of the Council of the International Maritime Organization, that is IMO. The Indian delegation pointed out that despite efforts, there are currently 44 active cases involving 292 Indian seafarers. India secured its position as one of the 8 governments representing IMO in the Joint Tripartite Working Group. This group is dedicated to identifying and tackling seafarers' issues and the human element in maritime operations. The Indian delegation also addressed concerns over disruptions in the Red Sea, Gulf of Aden, and adjoining areas which have been impacting shipping and trade logistics. India reiterated its proposal for the South Asian Centre of Excellence for Sustainable Maritime Transport to promote sustainable and technologically advanced maritime practices. Let's know more about International Maritime Organization, that is IMO. The IMO is a specialized agency of the United Nations that is responsible for regulating shipping and preventing marine population from ships. IMO was established in 1948 following the adoption of a convention at UN conference in Geneva, which came into force in 1958. IMO has 176 member states and 3 associate members, and its headquarters are in London, United Kingdom. India joined the IMO in 1959. Now is the time to test your knowledge. The question is, where is the International Maritime Organization headquartered? Paris, Geneva, London, or New York? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.